everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again, the Mzansi Secret Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngenimba. Yo guys, ama-puppet ahleze phezulu because of inimba. We were all waiting ukuthi ke ibhokwe ke ikhali. Guys, ibhokwe ikhalile, and I was so hoping ukuthi ikhale because uLazarus uye wakhuluma ukuthi she has been waiting for this opportunity, and uZoleka came to his rescue, wamtholela noma wampha ke indodana. I thought the ancestors will understand the situation here ukuthi uLazarus une problem yongathola abantwana. Then guys, toward the end of again story sanamhlanje umntwana useyagula vele kusho ukuthi ke it because of this thing lamanga denze ukuthi uZoleka uthe umntwana uMajola ufile ezobona umntwana of which uMajola akafikanga, bathatha bawumbika isibayeni of which akusini umntwana wakhona, bamenzela lonke usiko lakhona. Nangwe manje guys umntwana ke uya kula umntwana and akazoba ngcono at this time. Once we check ama-tears azike ayasivezela ukuthi ke tomorrow on Thursday but uZoleka will confide in Thumeka about a burden too heavy to carry, ukuthi hayi bo Thumeka nakho ngiyinenkinga angazi ukuthi ke ngizokwenza kanjani. On the other side guys, uSydney naye ubhizi naleli plan lakhe lokufuna ke ukuqumba phansi ke uLazarus. So it's gonna be too much guys for uLazarus at this stage njengoba ke enana lesimo ke sengane. Bathi ke on Friday family members illness forces uZoleka and loved ones to face the unthinkable. So guys, we don't know ukuthi uZoleka bazogcina belikhulumile iqiniso because all the situation ifuna ukuthi nje bathethe inyani ngampela. So guys, yo usuku nosuku ama-puppets aphezulu ukuthi namhlanje kuzokwenzekalani, today what next, you know. But anyway guys, we are really enjoying inimba, thanks to the writers and the producers alomdlalo. Cha ngiyabona lapha ku TikTok, ngiyabona ingonyama zokuxhumana abantu bakhuluma ngawo ukuthi hayibo nali inimba limisile ke limise kabi. Abanye bazibafise ngathi ke inimba lingadlala ngo 8:30 lapha kweslot ke seThonga, because iThonga niyabona ukuthi hayi lise ICU, bese beshintshana ke iThonga lidlale ke ngo 9 kuyale because hey abantu abazathandisisi neze. But anyway guys, do leave your comment below and share opinion ukuthi wena you want ukuthi le story siqhubeke kanjani, si unfold kanjani, ufuna ukuthi kwazi ukuthi uzole uqamba manga uhlathi athatha ingane, what do you want? Noma ufuna ukuthi ke izinto ehambe kahle, bebuyelane kahle uLazarus kanye noZoleka baphile kahle as happy couple nomntwana wabo. Hey family nkosami, ngoba ekuthiwa bebekade bewuthunje ngaba ayikho sidala inkinga, but ke they have a family ke nkosami nesiko labo ke lakoMajola. Bye guys.